Hello, welcome to Xpressbot. In this video, we will walk through the how to use dynamic URL in Xpressbot platform. A dynamic URL refers to a web address that can change based on different parameters or conditions, such as the data being accessed or the user's actions on the website. In the context of platforms like Xpressbot, which is likely a messaging automation tool. First of all, visit Xpressbot dashboard, and in this dashboard, click the Bot Manager, and in this Bot Manager, we have the several features. And now we will see how to use dynamic URL, so click the message template and click the Create button. In this message template, the template name will be dynamic URL text Xpressbot. And the category will be marketing. And now we write the message body, it's like whatever we want, and using username in that text. And the button was call to action, and in this button we have the button type, button text and action value. Then we select the button type will be URL, and the button text is like some triggered word explorer platform. And last, the action value is http://app.xpressbot.org/ and select the variables is link page. After finishing, save your template message. And it show like not approved, then click the sync template, and we have the template will be approved. And now we check out how it will be word, so click the live chat on Xpressbot platform. And go to message template and select our dynamic URL template. And now we have our template. In this template we text which features we want to know about that. And now I write pricing plans, and after finishing, then click to save. And visit this template, then we have our pricing plan page. Using dynamic URLs in platforms like Xpressbot offers significant advantages by enhancing personalization, optimizing marketing campaigns, improving conversion rates, and ensuring a seamless, secure experience for users. By incorporating dynamic URLs, you can improve automation, scalability, and real-time interaction, making your workflows more efficient and effective while delivering a more tailored user experience. Thank you for watching our video. We hope you found it helpful and informative. Stay tuned for more Xpressbot tutorials and tips.